So this is perpendicular, and this is the distance from the base of the well. So these two conditions are given, and third we have to find 10-meter long ladder. So here the length of this ladder is 10 meter. Okay, and 6 meter away from the base of the wall. So find the height of the wall. So this distance is given 6 meter, and we have to find this height. Okay, so we know that the square of this must be equals to the sum of this plus this. So this is by using the Pythagoras theorem, 10 square is equals to 6 square plus this is the height square. We are not taking this hypotenuse. This is the height, or we can take it perpendicular, right? Otherwise you can write the name of the triangle is p square. So this is 100 minus 36 equals to p square. So this is 64 p square. So under root 64 equals to p. Then the p is equals to 8 centimeter. So this is the not centimeter, meter. Okay, so this is the height of the wall. These type of questions you also solve with the help of the trigonometric functions. If suppose the angle is given to you, okay, and here two sides are given in some condition, like if angle is given, so you can use that trigonometric function as well. By using the PGT and the trigonometric functions, we can find the any sides of the right triangle. Okay, so like this, some questions are very easy. Question number 3. A guy attached a wire 24 meter long to a vertical pole of height 18 meter and has a stack attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stack be driven so that the wire will be taut? Okay, so the same condition is there. This height of pole is given, and we are attaching a wire. Okay, like you have seen the electric wire. So there is a pole, and to support the wire, to support the pole, this is an electric pole. To support this pole must be in the standing condition. We are giving some supportive wires. Okay, so this is a supportive wire, and that we are tightening to the ground. Okay, so that this will be stand, and because there is a transmission line here, so it is having a load. Okay, if we are not giving any support, so this pole will be fall down. Okay, you have seen that. Okay, you have not seen in your street like there is a pole and they have just wind that pole, okay, to protect this loading. This we have learned in our electrical engineering, all that about the transmission, how we transmit the power. Okay, what are the things that we need to design the transmission line and all. So we are not going to discuss that. Just we are telling that here these are the transmission wires, or the we can say these are the consumer wires also. Transmission is different because they are on very high voltages. So in a street, this only the consumer wires we can say. So the question was that there is a height of the pole, and there is a wire we have attached to support this pole, and there is some distance given. So this must be always 90 degree. So this the height is 18 and the 24 meter long. So we have to tell that how far from the base. In this case, this is 24 and this is 18. So we have to find this distance. We can take anything like D. Okay, so by using this PGT, we can find this. So 24 square must be equals to D square plus 18 square. So what is 24 square? Actually, you must remember the squares from 1 to 25 at least. 576. Okay, good. Then D square plus 18 square is 18 square. Okay, I also don't remember. We can find it. $324. Okay. So you can subtract this 576 minus 324. You will get it. $252. Let me see, this is correct. $576, okay. So this is 252. So we can factorize this. Okay, so this is pair of 2 and pair of 3, and the 7 is left alone. So we can write 2 3 6 root 7. So d equals to 6 under root 7. So that will be the distance from the base. Okay. Yes, now see question number 4. That is a very important question. Let's see. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters. Two poles having different height, right? Suppose this is one pole of 6 meter and the other pole is 11 meters. So this one is given 6 meter and this is 11 meter, right? They are at some distance apart. Okay. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So this is given only 12 meter. And now we have to find the distance between their tops. So of course it's forming like this. Okay. So what we will do, we just draw a line parallel to this from this. Of course these are right triangle. Fine. So what is the value of these? Distance will be same because both poles are standing upright. They are not crossing each other. Okay. So this is 12. So it must be 12. Fine. This is 6. This is 11. So it will be 11 minus 6. It comes 5. So now you can find this. Suppose we will mark these points A, B, C, D, E. We will take out this AE square must be equals to AD square plus DE square. Okay, so AE square is equals to AD is 12 square plus 5 square. So 12 is 144 plus 25. It will be 169. Right? So AE will be 30. So this is the distance between their tops, 30 meters. Okay, so I think we should stop here now. And just complete till question number 4 and do question number 5 yourself. Then next question we will discuss next, inshallah.